Kung gusto mo mag-Europe at gusto mo ma-approve sa Schengen visa, ito yung mga personal yung ginawa ko para makita mo kung ano yung magpapa-help sa'yo ng higher chances of winning. Number one is before ako nag-apply for Schengen visa, minake sure ko na inikot ko yung mga visa-free at saka mga easy visa-free countries katulad ng mga Japan, South Korea, Dubai. Kasi dun nung time ko when I was applying Schengen visa, they were asking for photos proof of travel. Gusto nila makita ko nakapag-travel ka na sa ibang bansa. So, yung sinabit ko ay sobrang daming pictures. Print out ko po yan. Nakaabot ako ng around, siguro mga 50 to 60 pictures po. Sabi nga nila, the more the merrier. I don't know if this year they still opening it to that. Pero that time, sinagad ko yung proof ko na hindi po ako mag-overstay sa Schengen. Second is your bank account should at least have a minimum of 300,000 pesos because dun sa 300,000 pesos, yun ang mostly ina-approve is because mahal yung cost of living dun sa Schengen, sa European countries. Kaya at least 300,000 and above. And hindi po siya pwedeng isang 300,000 na ipapasok mo, then ipapakita mo dun sa embassy. It's a very red flag. So at least mayroong umiikot sa'yo ng 300 to 400,000 in and out. Kahit may mga lumalabas sa'yo ng mga 30, 40, 50K monthly or may pumapasok sa'yo ng ganun, okay na. As long as may movement siya for the past 6 months. And of course, nung nag-fill up kami ng form, I talagang, nung time ko, I think I was computerized if I don't remember it correctly kung computerized ba or the papel. But at that time talaga maaga kami sa embassy and hindi kami nagpa-late. Actually nagkaroon kami ng problem na iwan pa yung passport ng brother ko, but everything was good, everything was nice. And that's it. And I believe one of the best countries sa Schengen visa na nag-approve for Philippine passport holders is France, Germany, and Netherlands. So if you're gonna apply, try nyo magsimula sa countries na yan and let me know kung what happens to your visa application, okay?